Think of a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa, which can understand and respond to your voice commands, or a recommendation algorithm on Netflix that suggests movies based on your viewing history. These are just a few examples of how artificial intelligence is already present in our daily lives. But why use the term artificial intelligence? These machines are artificially incorporated with human-like intelligence to perform tasks as we do. This intelligence is built using complex algorithms and mathematical functions. However, AI may not be as obvious as in the previous examples. In fact, AI is used in smartphones, cars, social media feeds, video games, banking surveillance, and many other aspects of our daily lives. The real question is, what does AI do at its core? Artificial intelligence has the ability to adapt reason. Imagine an AI-powered vehicle encountering a road with unexpected construction work. The vehicle must make a decision on how to proceed based on the situation. This is where the AI's reasoning ability comes into play. Another capability of AI is problem solving, which involves using given input to find solutions to a problem. For example, an AI system could be used in a manufacturing plant to detect defects in products. The system would use input data to identify defective products and provide solutions to correct the problem. These and other capabilities make AI a powerful tool in a wide range of applications. From smartphones to self-driving cars, AI is becoming an increasingly important part of our daily lives. Now that we know what AI is, let's have a look at the two broad categories AI is classified into. Weak AI, also called narrow AI, focuses solely on one task. For example, AlphaGo is a maestro of the game Go, but you can't expect it to be even remotely good at chess. This makes AlphaGo a weak AI. You might say Alexa is definitely not a weak AI since it can perform multiple tasks. Well, that's not really true. When you ask Alexa to play Umbrella, it picks up the keywords play and umbrella and runs a program. Alexa is trained to perform certain tasks and cannot respond to a question it isn't trained to answer. For instance, try asking Alexa the status of traffic from work to home. Alexa cannot provide you with this information as she is not trained to do so. And that brings us to our second category of a strong AI. This is much like the robots that only exist in fiction as of now. An example of a strong AI could be a robot designed to perform any task that a human can do, from cooking to cleaning to repairing machinery. This kind of AI would be self-aware and have the ability to learn and adapt to new situations, making its responses unpredictable. You might be wondering, how is artificial intelligence different from machine learning and deep learning? We saw what AI is. Machine learning is a technique to achieve AI, and deep learning, in turn, is a subset of machine learning. Machine learning provides a machine with the capability to learn from data and experience through algorithms. Deep learning does this learning through ways inspired by the human brain. This means through deep learning, data and patterns can be better perceived. Ray Kurzweil, a well-known futurist, predicts that by the year 2045, we would have robots as smart as humans. This is called the point of singularity. But that's not all. In fact, Elon Musk predicts that the human mind and body will be enhanced by AI implants, which would make us partly cyborgs. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept in science fiction movies. It is already a part of our daily lives. As we continue to develop AI and with further advancements in technology, the possibilities for AI are limitless. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more AI videos.